Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a special guest. This is Chanel.
Hi.
We are at Hourglass and today she is going to do my makeup.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I don't know what look she's gonna do, but I trust her and we're just gonna play around with some products, talk about makeup, maybe give you guys some tips because she is a professional.
And he did my makeup today also. Look, he went fun and funky.
It was fun. It was
Yeah,
really fun
you're
doing
so
your face.
good. It's amazing.
Now you have to do mine. So I'm ready.
Perfect.
Excited.
Cool, let's get started.
I'm excited.
Okay, so for my look, I want to do something a little different from what you normally do. You do a lot of like pinks and really beautiful warm tones.
More blushy colors.
Yes,
for sure.
So I'm gonna do like an olive green halo-ish.
I love that.
Yes. You're like, So yeah, I'm just gonna let the creative juices flow. Let it flow. Okay, veil primer to start, of course. I'm just gonna do about half a pump. Warm up and just apply directly. You have beautiful skin texture. Oh my goodness. Hello. I feel like I've struggled with acne since I was like 15.
15?
Yeah.
Do you still struggle?
What's your like #1 tip for good skin?
Number one tip for good skin is stay hydrated.
Okay,
Just
love
kidding.
that. Love
No,
that.
I think cutting out dairy really helps. And
Really?
Yeah, drinking a lot of water. Yeah.
I hate that.
It's hard. It's a sacrifice really, cutting out dairy.
Okay, so for skin, I'm using highlighter, our VANISH Flash highlighting stick, and I'm using our VANISH foundation stick. So I'm creating a little bit of an underglow because I want there to be luminosity the entire way through.
Underglow, I've never heard that.
Yes.
Love that.
So yeah, we're mixing a highlighter and a foundation at the very beginning of your application.
Wow, I've never had that done before. I've never done that myself. That's so cool.
And these formulas mix so beautifully together.
Yeah, they don't clump, right?
And I'm using the VANISH foundation brush. This will save you from yourself, makes the application
It's a really nice
really easy.
It's very dense and like fluffy.
Yeah, you have beautiful skin. Like,
It's alright,
I'm
thank you. though.
loving-
This lighting really helps.
yeah, right?
What would you say like your biggest tips in like perfecting the skin when you're doing makeup are?
I think layering and really blending is the most important.
Guys.
I
Blend.
spend the most time with foundation.
Yeah.
I think once you perfect that, everything else will fall into place.
Exactly.
I don't want to do too much more on coverage because I
Okay.
think it already looks really nice.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna
good.
add a little bit of our VANISH stick in a lighter shade under your eye, but not too much. So I'm gonna go in with vanilla. Look all the way up. And just pressing that in. But I love using the VANISH sticks as a concealer as well.
because it does work as a concealer.
Concealer, contour, everything.
It's super easy to
Turn toward me.
like pack while you're like traveling as well. I think.
Yes. And the formulas obviously are the same. So they blend really beautifully together without looking like it won't congeal,
Clump,
it won't
yeah,
clump.
yeah.
You're not using two separate formulas.
Yeah.
Sometimes creams and liquids don't want to play together. I'm just going back in with the flash stick to really glow you up.
Have you been traveling recently?
Oh my gosh, I feel like I've been everywhere.
Wait, where did you go?
So I just got back from Germany and London. So I was in 3 different cities in Germany. I was in Munich, Hamburg, and Berlin.
How was that? Oh wait, no, I haven't been to Berlin. Never mind.
Berlin's the
I've been
coolest city ever. I want to go back. I would like live there in a second.
there. Really?
Or maybe for like 6 months and then come back because I don't think I could live anywhere other than LA. But it was such a cool experience. I get to travel a lot with Hourglass. So we were out there doing influencer dinners, filming with different retailers. All right, I'm just kind of setting you in place, but I'm being really strategic. I don't
all
want to take
over.
away that glow we have on you. Like, look how luminous
Wow.
you look.
It looks great.
Yeah, so I'm really focusing on your T and pressing it into your skin.
Wow, it looks flawless.
And then we're gonna go in with dim light. This is one of my favorites to lightly dust. It's literally like bringing the lights down on your skin. This is gonna give a really soft lighting effect.
I definitely feel like a lot of these things are very like diffused.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of definition with our ambient lighting bronzer. This is Nude Bronze. One of my favorites. It's a little bit more soft a little bit on the matte side.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna get a little sculpt. Your cheekbones are bananas. Could cut glass with them. Oh my gosh.
Bananas.
Yes, truly. So lightly dusting and really pushing it into your hairline. But look at that definition it gives you.
How did you start doing makeup?
I always loved it. My mom modeled when I was a kid.
Oh.
So I just was mesmerized by how she would do her makeup and how transformative it was.
Yeah.
And she encouraged me to do it. She was not one of those moms who was like, don't touch my makeup or like, stop putting, turn this way.
She let you play with it?
Oh my God,
That's
of course.
cool.
She let me play with hers. She bought me makeup really young.
What?
So I was going to middle school with like smoky eyes and stuff, and she
fun.
was super down for it.
How did you start doing it as like career-wise?
So I worked for the Chanel counter in my hometown in like Palm Springs and Palm Desert. About 6 years ago, I got an opportunity to be an intern for Hourglass.
Love.
So
Did you start as an intern for makeup or like for
just for
anything?
PR? I was like, whatever I can do to get myself with
Into
this
it.
company, I'll do it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I just put packages together for months, and then I got to work in Sephora for Hourglass training.
Love it.
And then I, vocalized how much I love makeup and that I
Wanna do
can
it.
do makeup and I'm an artist.
Yeah.
And they gave me an opportunity. And I think I got very lucky because of the timing with the brand. We were still, growing, and now it's just completely
Booming now.
different. It's booming.
Yeah.
You're seeing us everywhere.
Yeah.
And sorry, I'm just going in with a little blush,
Go ahead.
little luminous flush.
Yes. So you apply and then you diffuse. You apply and diffuse.
Apply and diffuse, apply and diffuse. All right, now I'm going in. I love your eyebrows. I really don't feel like I need to do very much. You have such good definition already,
you.
but I'm going in with the micro pencil just to fill where it's a little
I
sparse.
love this pencil.
Oh my God, yeah, I'm obsessed with your brows.
Wow. I've never seen myself this HD, guys.
We're up here, boo.
Yeah.
Do you think there's like huge differences between makeup, like where you grew up and here? And what would you say they are?
Makeup. Well, I'm from Malaysia, so I feel like makeup is just now starting to get more popular, because I feel like my
towards
country
me?
back then maybe wasn't the most privileged to be able to use
Right.
makeup, because makeup is like a privilege, it's a luxury.
Absolutely.
And I think for a lot of women it's just not feasible for them maybe. But I think now with the whole makeup, and social media and everything, like everywhere in the world is looking for good makeup, and they just want to wear
and a way
makeup.
to express themselves.
Yeah, for
Be
sure.
a part of the conversation.
I think times have definitely changed in terms of how people wear makeup too. I think back then maybe it's a little bit more of like professionalism and like perfecting yourself, and now I feel like it's more of like just expressing how you want to be seen.
I'm just adding a little bit of our gel liner in kind of a navy shade as a base for when I go in with our scattered light shadows.
And guys, she's really soft with her application, like not stabby.
Oh, good. Not stabby. We don't want any stabby effect.
No stabby. What was your craziest makeup experience? Not crazy, but like hectic.
It was the first time I did a wedding.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Weddings. It's a lot of pressure.
I was assisting someone, so I didn't have to do the bride. But my first client, she was already like 15 minutes late. And with weddings, if anyone's ever done them, you have to be
on time. Like
it's a time crunch.
Yeah.
And she comes in and she had a gash on her forehead, just like open wound. And so obviously I was like, oh God, what happened?
I know.
She got too drunk the night before and fell the day before her friend's wedding and was like, just put makeup on it, keep putting foundation, just go for it. And I was like,
That's a move.
this is gonna be infected, this is gonna be oozing by the end of the day. I was like losing it.
Yeah, that's difficult.
It was so terrible.
It's not your fault, but you can't really do anything
No, and
about
of
it
course,
at that
like the
time.
first person of the day, I was like, great, we're off to a
I
great
know.
start. This is killing it. So I'm just really patting in quite soft. I might go in a little heavier as we go, but this is one of our new scattered light shadow shades, and it's called Vivid. It's a really beautiful olive green, and I'm just gonna kind of soften the edges, bring it up.
So you're using your fingers for this one. What color is this? Yeah.
So this one is Rapture. It's a little bit more of like a cranberry shade.
I love cranberry tones. So cute.
A little funky, a little different. Yeah, and then I'm gonna mimic that on the lower lash line as well.
Same colors?
Yeah, I love it. We're both doing something different on each other.
It's like a very classy night out look.
Yes, love that. Because we're classy, babe.
We are.
I know.
Classy. Do you have any tips for people with like acne skin but still want to wear like a lot of makeup, like, you know, like base makeup? Like
Yeah.
what tips would you have for that? Just like with texture and, you know, color, it's really difficult to, I don't know, it's just hard.
Of course. If you have a lot of texture, stick to something more matte. If it's too dewy, it will enhance that texture. If you're like me, where most of it's scarring, you can go with a more dewy, full coverage foundation. I think either way, stick with full coverage. That's my personal vibe. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of liner along your lash line.
If you got to live anywhere else in the world, where would it be?
London.
London?
Yeah. I think there's a lot of opportunity there.
A lot of cool things.
Oh my gosh, it's such a cool city. Oh,
Yeah.
I love London. All right.
Damn.
All right, so let's just go in with some mascara.
Okay. Do you have any tips for beginners, for mascara beginners? Because I always get it on the lid.
Take a little bit off
the end.
the end, right on your hand. So do a little bit of that.
Okay.
Start with your bottom lashes. That will help so that you don't get mascara on the top
Okay.
and mess up all the beautiful work you did on shadow.
Yeah.
I've seen like actual tools like makeup artists use that like go underneath and you can just paint on it, and same with the top. So for a beginner, that might be something really helpful.
You prop up with your finger
Yes.
while your eyes are closed.
Looking down or closed, whatever is more comfortable for the person. And I don't want to go like,
As if like a
too
shield.
heavy with the mascara. That's not like the point of our look today.
Yeah, you just
We're
want to define a little
Yeah, just give a little bit extra. Beautiful.
bit. Loves
Okay, and then
so
I'm
much.
just gonna go in with a clear gloss. This is our Unreal gloss in Halo. Also has a little shimmer to it. It's almost like a white gloss, which is really cool.
It makes the lips look so plump.
Yes!
Oh, I love it.
And that's our look, boo.
Yay. Wow.
Something a little different, a little like smudgy. Look at
Cute.
you. Looking good.
So good. I love it.
I like it too. I think it's a little different from what you normally do.
Yeah. I'll
But
definitely wear
it's
this.
fun. Yay! Thanks for letting me touch your face.
Of course. We sort of like traded looks.
Yeah,
I
we
love it.
honestly did. I'm into it.
Wow. I love it so much.
Yeah,
I
you
love
ready
it.
for a night out, boo?
I am. This is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That
for
was
doing my
so
makeup.
fun. And thanks for doing mine.
Of course. I tried. I'm not professional, but you know.
You killed it. You did something different, and I love that.
So don't forget to check out Chanel's channel too, where I did her makeup.
Yes.
And I tried to do her makeup. It was fun. It was
You
really,
killed
really
it. You
fun.
did a great job.
And thank you. Don't forget to check out the products down below.
Yes.
And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.